In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up telehealth sessions in Practice Better. By the end, you'll know exactly how to book an online appointment and make sure your client can join without a hitch. Let's start inside your Practice Better account. From your dashboard, head to My Practice, then open My Services. Here, you'll book your session. Click Book a Client to begin. You'll be prompted to choose the client you want to meet with. Select the right person from your list so the appointment is tied to their profile and shows up in their portal. Next, choose the session type. For a virtual appointment, select online or video chat. This tells Practice Better that you're meeting remotely and prepares the system to create a secure video room. When the platform asks you to confirm the telehealth method, select Use Practice Better. This option keeps everything built in, so you don't need any outside tools. It also ensures the join link appears directly in the client's portal and in your session details. Now schedule your session. Pick the date and time that works best, double-check your time zone, and set the appointment duration. If there's a field for notes, you can add a brief agenda or key points to cover. That way, both you and your client know what to expect. Before you finalize, take a quick look at the session summary to confirm you've chosen online video chat and the method is set to Use Practice Better. Then click to schedule. There's one crucial piece to make the telehealth meeting run smoothly. Your client must activate their client portal account ahead of time. Make sure they've logged into the portal at least once before the session begins. If they haven't activated their account, they won't be able to access the join button for the video call. A simple reminder goes a long way. Encourage them to sign in, verify they can see the upcoming appointment, and plan to join a few minutes early. A couple of tips to help things feel seamless. Confirm your client's time zone matches yours or is clearly communicated. Suggest they use a stable internet connection and a quiet, private space. And let them know they can join from a computer or a mobile device with a camera and microphone. On your side, it's helpful to test your camera and audio and keep your browser updated to avoid last-minute tech issues. That's all there is to it. Go to My Practice, open My Services, book your client, select online video chat, confirm Use Practice Better as the telehealth method, schedule the session, and make sure your client has activated their client portal. You're ready to host secure, professional telehealth appointments with confidence.